Alright, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm back. I decided to take a bit of a break. I was not really in the mood to make videos anymore. Also, I'm still not in the mood to make videos, but it is what it is. I just decided to get back into it. I took a symbolic 87 days break, and now we're here. Yeah, I'm planning to upload constantly from now on, so please stick around. And of course, I really want to thank my 31 subscribers for sticking with me. Thank you very much. So I have a new box here, a new pair of sneakers bought on a big discount, almost 3 times less than retail. Just like you saw in the title, this might be my last Adidas sneaker. I'm not really upset with Adidas, but the thing is, as I said a few times back, they don't deliver to my country, and you know, it is what it is. Having said that, I actually ordered a pair of Nike sneakers. The first pair of Nike sneakers after 15, 20 years, and I'm extremely excited about it. No, I'm not going to switch to Nike, but I will buy maybe 4 pairs, and that's because I only like 4 models Nike makes. So I really wanted to give them a chance because, you know, it's my money, right? So I can spend my money the way I want, and Adidas doesn't really pay me, so, you know, why not? But for now, let's get into this box and straight into the sneakers, which are the Response TR in this colorway. So we have creams here, we have gray, and we have Boost, and I really like these a lot. Now the thing with the Response TR, it's a very bad sneaker. This continental sole is useless. They are horrible in the rain. This material is not waterproof or water repellent or water fucking nothing. And this sole actually, you know, it's shit. You can slide on pavement with this. But then again, I really think these are made for running on gravel, running on mud and things like that, so maybe that's where it performs. Anyway, I'm going to maybe show you the sneakers a bit here. Let's take this second pair. Yeah, check them out. Response TR, Boost, and these are size 10 US. These are size 9.5. So I decided to go have size up. You know, as you can see, there's a small difference there, but they look even more interesting on feet. A bit more bulky, a bit more long, I should say. Now I'm going to put these on feet just to see how they fit. If you watched my other video, I have unstitched the straps from the body of the sneaker, and now all of them are loose, and I think the sneaker, just like you see, the sneaker fits a bit better like that, in my opinion. And I have some red laces somewhere here because I'm obsessed with red laces. That's about it. Let me put these on feet and let me get back with the custom. Right, and let me tell you about the channel. So I'll be right back. And we're back. So, as I said, this is simple. I'm going to basically unstitch the straps from the upper and I'm going to do something with this other strap, which is fucking useless. If you ever decide to do something like this, you just need an X-Acto knife or some blades. There you go, a blade. And I'm going to start, of course, by removing the laces. All right, I'm going to end the video with the on feet so you see how they look. And while I'm doing this, I'm going to tell you a bit about the channel and what I'm going to do next. I've ordered a few hats and I'm planning to maybe do also a collection of my hats because I have a lot. I'm planning to do a affordable or a basic clothing haul. I have a bunch of clothing pieces, simple clothing pieces on the way, so I'm really excited about that. A review of my Galaxy Fold, check it out, with a real carbon fiber case here. Of course, the first Nike sneaker in about 15 to 20 years, I should say. So that's exciting. Then I'm planning to do some Nike sneakers on the Nike ID option. So custom Nike sneakers, so one-offs. There you go, it's that simple, right? Basically this is just stitched on this line, right? And of course I'm going to remove the threads and do something with this. Is this an elastic? Yeah, where were we? Yeah, I'm planning to do a apartment tour. I think that would be very nice. Eastern European apartment tour. And also I'm planning to sell a bunch of these sneakers. Some of them are new, and maybe I'm going to do a video about that. There you go. I'm actually planning to buy a 3D printer and do my own sneakers, my own footwear. See, it's that simple. And I think they look way better like this. Let's continue with the straps from the front. I think that's pretty much it with this video, man. I just want to keep it short for the comeback here. I cannot really think of anything else to say other than just thank you for sticking with me. Actually didn't really lose any subscribers in these 2 months. I really need to stop saying Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.